This is DOOGEE T20, and in today's video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will demonstrate that you can warm up the interface colors or set up and enable the night light, eye comfort feature. Launch settings, go for the display category. In here, open the night light page, turn on the switch, and as you can see, the interface gets significantly warmer. The system achieves so by tinting the screen amber and filtering out the excess amounts of blue light, which results in, well, not only just those colors become warmer, but also in the fact that your eyes will be way less tired from looking at the screen for a long period of times, and well, just overall prevents an immense eye fatigue. At the options page, you can regulate the effect intensity by sliding this bar. You can make your interface very warm or just a little bit. You can also set up the automated schedule for this feature to be enabled and disabled automatically at set time frames. And well, that will be it as far as this particular feature goes. We are moving on. The next option is, the next topic for this video is how you can change your system navigation type. As you could have already noticed, up until this point in the video, I've been navigating through the interface using gestures, but if you would like to do that with buttons, 3 digital buttons at the bottom part of your display, you can absolutely do so by entering the system category of settings, going for gestures, system navigation, and switching it to 3-button navigation. And once set, as you can see, these 3 digital buttons appear, which will now be responsible for navigating through the interface and system options. I'm more personally a fan of gestures, but if you are all about this 3-button navigation style, just go for it. The next tip is rather a small one. That's how you can enable the battery percentage. As you can see right now, it is not shown neither at the status bar nor at the notification panel. So if you would like to know at all times precisely how much power you have left, you will want to open settings, then open the battery category, and in here turn on the battery percentage toggle. And as you can see, the battery percentage appears right away. The next tip, or rather the last 2 options for today, they are both performance related. So the fourth one is how you can clean up your storage, declutter it a little bit. So let's say you are running out of storage, or you simply notice that lately your system performance has been downgraded somehow. That might be attributed to the fact that you have too much junk cache and unnecessary data laying around, which slows down your tablet. So in order to perform the storage cleanup, you will need to open settings, go for storage, then free up space, and at the following page, just tap at the clean option, clear, and wait for the Google Files app to do its magic and remove all trash and junk from your system. And fifth and final tip for today, as I've already promised, it's going to be another performance related tip, is how you can extend or increase the amount of random access memory you have. So launch settings once again, find and enter the RAM expand section, and turn on this toggle. And as you can see from the description, the system will borrow 7 GB of internal storage and use them as your virtual random access memory, helping your actual hardware built-in RAM to do its job, which will allow you to make more actions simultaneously, launch more apps simultaneously, have more apps opened at once in the background and not slowing your system down. And there is important thing to be aware of. In order for those features to take effect or to be applied, you will need to manually reboot your tablet. So hold the power button, then once the power off menu launches, go for the restart option, then OK. And as I've already said, once your system will be rebooted, you'll get additional random access memory gigabytes, 7 of them to be precise. Or actually, it depends on the amount of internal storage you have in general, so well, you'll get some amount anyway, one way or another. Alrighty, so that would be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.